So in a chemistry class, a person has 3 liters of a 15% sulfuric acid solution. So we can find out how much sulfuric acid is in those 3 liters by multiplying by the decimal form of the percentage. That's how much sulfuric acid is in that first amount. Now this is the variable here. How much of the 6% solution should we add to it? So 0.06 times some x that we don't know. How much of the 6% solution should we add to it so that we dilute it down to 9%? Well, we can find that by setting it equal to 0.09, because that's the percentage mixture we want. But then over here, look, when we've been making these expressions, this is a percent times liters. Percent times some liters that we don't know. So this is a percent. Now how many liters are going to be left over here? You started with 3, and then you're adding an X amount of liters over here. So that's the equation we need to set up to solve. And then when we do, I should know what 0.15 times 3 is off the top of my head, but I make mistakes when I make videos. There we go. So we got 0.45. And then using the distributive properties, 0.09 times 3 makes 0.27. And then 0.09 times x makes 0.09x. So we're getting closer, boiling the equation down. Now you want to get x on just one side, so I'm going to subtract 0.06x from both sides. That'll make it disappear on the left. And then we're still trying to get x by itself, so let's subtract this 0.27 from both sides. So we got 0.45 minus 0.27, that makes 0.18. And then to finish getting x by itself, we got to divide both sides by 0.03. So it means x is going to be 0.18 divided by 0.03, so it came out to a nice even 6 liters. So we need 6 liters of the 6% solution. And we could check that real quick too. Right? If we're doing 3 liters of the 15% plus 6 liters, that means we have a total of 9 liters after we've all poured them together. And if it's 9%, that means 0.81 liters of sulfuric acid. Let's just see if that matches up with what we have over here. 3 liters, and it's 0.15%, so there's 0.45 liters from the 15% solution. And then we had 6 liters at 9%, so that's 0.54, and then if you add those up, it does indeed make 0.81, so it checks out. Okay, so that last part you didn't have to do. That tells you how many liters to answer this question.